Charmers, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Hi.
Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo están? Here we are.
Yes. So today we're giving you guys a full video of literally bloopers.
Mistakes, things falling down, messed up, people falling down.
It's so much. This is all the bloopers that we've accumulated throughout this year, and they're hilarious.
Yes, and these are literally behind the scenes that you guys have never actually seen. It's pretty much like a little trip down memory lane throughout the year, literally.
But not that cute though, because like, not everything is cute, you know?
No.
Especially in this video. So if you want to see what's about to happen, just keep on watching.
Hey Charmers, it's your girl Steph B, and today I'm going to go ahead and...
Bueno, Charmers, hoy voy a utilizar este polvito de Becca para sellar mi cara. Como pueden ver, ya tengo maquillaje, entonces quiero retocar y... Esta cosa está un poquito pegada.
I say like really cute look.
Super lindo.
Super, super lindo.
Apoteósico.
What? Wait.
Esa es la palabra, mi amor. Apoteósico.
Apoteósico. Un super, super lindo what? Okay. Apoteósico, reo e pingo.
Somebody said the wrong word.
He's crying. I'm literally crying. That was funny.
No, I got you. Don't worry about it.
No. We are the actors here. He got it. Mama, you're so...
Alright, quiet on set. Alright.
Camera speed.
Model speed. I just do that.
That's how that works.
It's not how it works, but here, that's how it works.
In our show, that's how it works.
Mira, por favor. Okay, Charmers, so I'm gonna take my Luxy 250 large eye blending brush and I'm gonna take this beautiful brown shade right here. This is super, super pigmented, so slightly I'm gonna just dab it in the outer part of my eye. I'm first gonna start just applying it a little bit like...
What happened?
So I'll start with Steph B. Okay. Woo! Okay, I'm ready.
Really, Jim? You didn't click the audio. Are you ready this time, Jim? Yeah? Okay. Hey, Charmers.
Okay, let's do this. Okay.
Whoa.
Okay.
Johnny, you okay?
Oh my god, I'm good.
Johnny.
Yeah.
Help him.
Johnny, wait. Wow, wait.
These lights make me, like, no lie, these lights are making me sweat. And I didn't bring deodorant today. Ooh. Ready? Because I'm hungry. 1, 2, go. Hey, Charmers. Hi, Charmer. Oh, let's do it together. Blah. 1, 2. Hi, Charmers.
Alright. Alright, let's just test the light. How does it look?
It's kind of good. Actually, it looks really good.
No, I just want to make sure I get the light right so that, you know, when Mel comes back, we can just, you know, knock it out. So
Right, that skin is beaming.
the skin's beaming.
Do the tutorials. Do the tutorials.
What? Oh, so this is, I'm gonna take my glasses off for this, okay. Hey, Charmers. Okay, so today we're gonna do this look, okay, and it's gonna be a real subtle, natural look, okay. So you can do it at home, no big deal, okay.
So we love to do this unboxing for you guys together and show you all the goodies because we have been... Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm sorry, I thought you were gonna throw up.
She was trying not to cough.
And I'm trying to cough at the same time.
Okay, sorry.
Hey guys, it's Steph and
Hola,
Gabby,
Charmers.
my girl. What's up?
Copyright issues.
Great. Thank you so much, Johnny. You're the best with that beautiful tip. Of course, you guys know this is Boxy News or whatever, where we're talking about the hottest trends, the hottest product launches, and you guys, what is that on my shirt? What is that? You guys, who did that? What is this that you're putting on my shirt, you guys? You guys play so much.
Happy Mother's Day! Today we switched makeup bags with our moms, so make sure to swipe up and check it out.
I forgot to swipe up on Mom.
I have handpicked a few of my favorite skincare items that you guys are gonna be able to pop. What the? Sorry, guys.
It's fine.
Don't get makeup on my jacket. It broke?
That was a year.
We literally just seen just a clip of it, and we are
Oh my
dying.
God.
The powder with Johnny.
That was, oh my
I was so
God.
happy I was
Oh
not
my
in a
God.
meeting during that time because we're always in meetings and like I was so happy I was here.
The one
Oh
that
my
really
God.
took me is when Johnny took a tumble.
Oh God, why would everything that I did?
Because you're a
Because-
clutch, boo boo.
Yeah, you go above and beyond.
I thought I was a clutch. Johnny is
No,
a
dude.
clutch.
Although we're missing one more member, our beautiful Cado.
Yes.
She's gonna send out a cute little clip here and say hey to you guys.
We love you.
After we
Hey everyone, it's Gato. Probably wondering why I'm sitting like this. I'll show you why. There she is, finally.
Oh my God, this has been such a great year.
This was such a great way to end the
Yeah.
year. The only reason we did this video is because someone down in the comments requested it, and
Yeah.
we get what the charmers want.
Yeah.
So
We had a lot of
Let
bloopers.
us
Like
know.
this happens a lot. So
Oh my God, 2020 we're gonna have better bloopers. by the end
Yeah.
of the year,
Yes,
for
girl.
sure.
But in the meantime, we gotta go because mom's
Right.
hungry.
My
so.
bento box
we're
is
all
here. So.
yeah.
bye,
See you
Charmer.
next year, Charmers.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And in the comment section down below, leave all your suggestions that you want us to try. So we're voguing out.
Hey,
Bye.
hey, hey.
Bye. See you
See you next year.